This is Master Theory, Book 1, Lesson 25. Today we're talking about dotted quarter notes. Previously, we have learned when you have a dot on the right of the note, you only add half of the value onto it. So today we're talking about dotted quarter note, and the value is a quarter plus half of it, so it's an eighth note. It happens in the setting of music in 2/4, 3/4, or 4/4 time. So remember, when you have different time signature, the value of notes could have a little different ways of counting them. So here on the bottom, they talk about how to count them, and the logic is when you have 1.5 beat, we're basically counting 1.5 and like this. So the way we put the counting of beat is 1.5, which is, even though it says 2, but it means that you arrive 1 and cover the first half of the second beat, and then and. So when you have it happen in the second half of a measure, it will be 1 and then 2 and 3 and then n. So it's basically 1.5 n. The third one is including the rest. So it's 1 and 2 rest. Or you can think as 1 and 2 n. And then 3 and 4 rest. So let's do some exercise. Number 1. How many eighth notes equal 1 dotted quarter note? An eighth note looks like this. A dotted quarter note is plus. So the answer will be 3, because the dotted quarter equals 1.5 beat. That means you have 3 half beats total. 2. If the time signature is 4/4, how many beats does a dotted quarter note receive? A dotted quarter note will be 1.5. So you're gonna say 1.5, or if you know fraction, you can do 1.5, or if you do decimal, then you can do this 1.5. Number 3, write a beat under each note and rest in the following exercise. So it's gonna be 1, connect 1.5, 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2 rest. Now the next one will be n, because you have to have an n to make up with the eighth rest here. So it's going to be rest and connect to 2, and then 1 and 2 rest. Next one, 1 and 2 and 3. Rest is a quarter rest, and the next beat will be the second beat. Connect 1, 2 and half, so it's 2 and 3, and 1 and 2, 1.5, rest, 3. because that's a third beat, and then 1 first beat, 2 rest, rest. Last one, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Rest, and then second beat, third beat, but this start a quarter, so it's 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, rest. And the next beat will be 3 and 4, rest. And then 1 and 2, 1.5. And I should write it in. I almost write it rest. So 1 and 2 and 3, and then rest. That's the end of lesson 25.